Hey guys, Jake with Outdoor Initiative here. Got a little bit of weather rolling in, so I wanted just to make something real quick. This right here is my Msr Whisperlite International. It's a liquid fuel stove, and I use white gas in it. Comes with a valve body, which this has just been rebuilt with the annual kit. Comes with windscreen, the base, and the surround, and you can tell that it's been well used. And it also comes with a little thing of oil for the slide, but that right there is why they call it the International, and I don't know if you can make out on that, but there's a K stamped in on this jet, which means it can burn kerosene or diesel fuel. And then there's a clothespin to clean the shaker or the jet, and then a tool to strip it, field strip it. But what's cool about this is it has a shaker jet, so if you can hear that, there's a little needle that's sliding up and down inside the jet that's inside here. But if you're looking for a super, no frills, no moving parts type of stove, this is what I use, and it works great. I've never had any troubles with it. It's always started for me. This is the floor of the windscreen, and I put these holes in here, if you can see that, because with the constant creasing right there, they were wearing out anyway, so I just cut a square in them just to make it a little bit easier to fold and get taken care of. But you lay that down, and then get your stove, and this right here is where it helps to have a really as flat of a surface as you can get. But this braided fuel hose is kinks, and so it can twist and throw your stove off. So you just can't be afraid to maneuver that and manipulate it however you need to. So got a 22-ounce bottle of just Coleman's white gas. I know MSR sells their premium fuel, but you don't need it. That white gas, it is a little bit more sooty, but for $6 a gallon rather than $11, $12 for a pint, I think it is. So go ahead and while you have it detached, give that 30 pumps to pressurize it. So this is how your fuel travels to your stove, and you want to stick it into that orifice, and then you want to lock this bail into this notch. So you just stuff it in, and it's got a notch in there so that this sits in. Lock it into place, and this is where you kind of gotta just squish it. And on this bowl here, you just crack the valve until you get like a teaspoon of fuel. You don't need much. Okay. Oh well, that's too much. But all you're trying to do is heat up this pipe right here, because this is what heats up the fuel and atomizes it, turns it from a liquid to a gas. And then you'll see this is not recommended for vestibules. I'm gonna have to put the windscreen on because the flame's not hitting that pipe. I know, it's not very exciting. See, I had to just throw that windscreen on because the wind was there. That's the sound of the fuel being atomized. So that's it. It's very high on the flame side. Now this windscreen has got this notch, and you put it like that. So that's 16 ounces for a Mountain House meal over there. The only bad part about this stove is it's only got 2 settings, off and blowtorch. So that's all you get. It's just on or off. Set the lid on and wait for it to boil. Water boiled, but you turn the valve all the way off, and you gotta just wait for all that gas to get out of the line. And that thing is red hot, so your best bet is just to wait for that to hydrate, eat your dinner, and come back to it quite a bit later. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Peace.